Just received the LEVOIT. I think I'm saying it right. I was saying like Levia or something, but it's LEVOIT, I believe. Air Purifier, and it's the biggest one they have. I believe it's the 600. But this is the box that it's in, so let's go and set it up. So some of the common indoor air pollutants can be dust and dust mites, pollen, VOCs, mold, pesticides, formaldehyde, and chemicals that are in new building materials. Pollutants can trigger asthma or lead to cancer, heart disease, or respiratory illness. So it's so important that we are filtering these out of our homes because we spend most of our time in our house, right? So air purifiers can help eliminate microbes that cause allergens, asthma, and other respiratory complications like cancer, heart disease, respiratory illnesses, right? All these health complications that we don't want. LEVOIT has a HEPA filter that can filter out 99.9% of allergens, and LEVOIT is also third-party tested, and that is why I decided to go with LEVOIT. It's funny because I couldn't find the filter here, and I kept looking, and then here you can see this filter is massive. Huge HEPA filter. Look at that. So wild and crazy, and it's actually really lightweight, so it's easy to move around and easy to pick up and move, which is awesome too. All right, we unboxed it together. Pretty large. I put it here by my tree because when the tree's gone, that's where it's gonna go. But it comes up to here, and I'm 5'3", so that is how that looks. I took the filter paper, the like plastic off of the filter and everything, and it has this on the top. I don't want to pull it too much, but let's turn it on. Okay, so it shows a 5, and the number goes all the way up to like 300. It goes up pretty high. I'm gonna connect this to my app and figure it out, but I'm so excited to get rid of the dust in our air because we have so much pollutants in this house, mainly just a lot of dust, and this is totally going to help with my allergies, I believe. So yeah, get this if you want a nice clean house without pollutants. And it's also, our dog has an itching problem, so I'm really hoping that this helps with that because she might be allergic to like the dust and the dust mites that's in the house.